So this is the lawnmower engine for the drift trike that I haven't touched in about a year. Need to fix an oil leak on it, and then we're going to try and get it running without the carb. I think that's the problem.
The oil leak seemed to be coming from the crankcase, and I suspected it would need a new gasket. Now, I probably could have picked one up online for pennies, but instead I decided to spend hours of my time creating one from scratch. The bolt holes seemed to have been tapped by a blind man using a rusty screw, so I filed them down to get a better mating surface. To make the new gasket, I clamped a bit of gasket paper over the crankcase and then rubbed around the edges to mark them. I then cut the rough shape out, knowing I could trim it to size later. With the gasket roughly the right shape, I marked all the bolt holes with a pencil and then cut them out using a hole punch, which conveniently made just the right size holes. With the new gasket installed, I could trim off the excess and then fill the engine with oil ready to try starting it.
So the plan is, try and start it while spraying starter fluid in. So I'm going to take the air filter off, make sure all the butterflies are open, which they seem to be, and try. I give up. I think this engine's a lost cause. Not even a splutter. So how do you feel about being involved in the lawnmower engine project?
Didn't really enjoy it.
I think it might be time to give up on this engine.
Yay!
This is the end of the short-lived lawnmower engine drift trike project.
I spent £5 on this.
I spent about 50 on parts to get it back together. It was a learning experience. But yeah, we'll get another engine and we'll try again. We'll get an engine that runs. You piece of shit. You do something like inward singing. But on the plus side, I did fix the oil leak.